Welcome back, everybody. Another little shop tip. When you're setting up your planes, and your blade is sharp, and everything is set up right, does your plane pull itself to task? In other words, you have your hand on the knob to keep it registered when you begin your cut, but then no hand on the front. Does the plane pull itself to task? Show you again. Start. Okay. It is pulling itself down and making the cut. And yes, I know you're not really supposed to plane with your arms. You're supposed to plane with your body. But I'm trying to show you something. Does the plane pull itself to task? Okay? If you have to get on your plane and bulldog it, well, then it's not set up properly. Now you can use the knob to guide the plane, but not pressing down except for the beginning here. After that, the plane should pull itself to task. That's about it, everybody. Head out to your shop. Check your planes. Walter out.